Hey guys, it's Waylon. I'm at Discount Fireworks. I'm at the Ripon store. I am going to do a demo. This is a fountain, $21, Ballerinas ball. It spins. It's a great fountain. Last one I did, it wasn't on a very level surface, and it didn't spin. So you got to make sure that it's very level. But we're gonna try it out. It's a $21 fountain, so it's not a big seller. But the people that like them, they buy them again and again. So it's just something I thought I should show you guys. I have one woman that she'll come 3 times a year and buy 6 of them. She just loves them. So we'll test it out. Tell me what you think. Share our videos, like them, subscribe to my channel. Help us out. Alright guys, thanks. Alright, Ballerina's ball right on top of the fire pit. It's a little bright out here, but whatever. I hope the video's turning out good. There we go, we got the spinning. Alright guys, WisconsinDiscountFireworks.com. Check us out, subscribe to our channel, tell people where to get your fireworks. Thanks guys.